Welcome back, and this is Dow Jones 16 p.m. IST. The trading started at 7 p.m. IST, and it all started with a gap up and is indecisive until the Fed's meeting announcements comes about the rate hikes. Right now, Dow Jones and the Nasdaq are maintaining the same stance. This is Nasdaq, but the sentiment seems to be positive. As the buying is seen, and you see the futures, Nasdaq futures is indecisive, but still Nasdaq futures seems to be positive, slight positive, not much, and it's crossing 12,000 often. And the Nasdaq is at 11,490 and is on the positive momentum as it seems. The super trend also indicates the buy phase, and for the so it's a neutral for the Dow Jones. Okay, today Indian markets Nifty closed at 17,718, down by 97 points. Bank Nifty, this is Nifty. Today Nifty closed at 17,718, down by 97 points, and Bank Nifty closed at 41,203, down by 264 points, and Sensex closing at 59,456, down by 262 points. Right now, SGX Nifty is also trading neutral, and the announcement is Fed's meeting announcement. The rate hike is expected in few hours from now. So that's going to decide the fate of the market. The index, the American markets may react badly or positively. Let us see. But there was a clear indication in the previous meeting 2 weeks before at Jackson Hole that he's going to control the inflation by the rate hikes. So that is giving a signals that he's going to increase the rate by around 75 to 100 points. This is the current fear and greed index by CNN Business. So it's the factor is 39, and let us see if it's going to change in a few hours to extreme fear or to the neutral. Right now, all the American indices are trading positive. Okay, we are all talking about the Fed's meeting, FOMC meeting. Here is the calendar. So we are in the September 20 to 21st. We have the meeting. We are expecting shaking of the market based on the outcome. So after this, next meeting is going to be in November 1st and 2nd. To explore this site for more information, you can watch this FOMC meeting, FOMC press conference live from 2:30 p.m. Eastern onwards. Right now it is 12:54 p.m. Eastern, and in 1.5 hours this is going to start. On commercial paper at 1 p.m. FOMC meeting is at 2 p.m. and 4:15 p.m. This is after closing of the markets. Probably the rate interest are going to be announced. In that case, it's going to reflect the markets are going to react the next day. Of course, we can sense it through the futures reaction. So coming to the inflation figures for 2022, it is standing at 8.3. This is annual inflation rates by month and year. 2022, it's all in the high from Jan onwards, and in the month of August it was 8.3, and for the September it will be available on October 13. The highest so far was 9.1 in June 2022, and here is the historical data from 2000 onwards. Of course, we have more historical data as well. If you are interested, you can check in this site itself. Here is the link for that, historical inflation rates. So this is so wonderful. We have the data from 1914 onwards. This is a useful information for analytical study. So 2022 is the current year, and you see sometimes some negative figures as well in the inflation. So that is a deflation. Okay, we'll come back to this more often. And this inflation rates are calculated using the Consumer Price Index (CPI). This is published by the Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) monthly. This is the CPI data, how inflation is calculated based on the major categories. So these are the categories: food, food at home, food away from home, energy, gasoline, fuel, electricity. These are the categories based on which this consumer price index (CPI) and the inflation is calculated. Today's gold rate is $1,674 and oil rate is at $83. So interest rate hike decision is going to happen at 2 p.m. Eastern. Let us see how markets are going to react for the rate hikes. So right now Dow is trading 107 points. Yes. But as it seems, the trend is towards sliding down. Okay, in an hour we are going to know the outcome. Make bookmark this site, federalreserve.gov/newsevents.htm. So we're going to see the live. You can watch the live and the reaction to the market at 2:30 p.m. Eastern onwards. That is midnight 00 hours IST. Okay, that's the news for now. Let's catch up again later. Thanks for watching.